Hello folks, Double Tap in, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a Wilko rose winemaking kit. While I've got it here, let me quickly show you around the tin. I went down to Wilko today, they've got some good deals on. Some of the Woodford range, that's been marked down to 15 quid a pack, so I got myself one of them. But today we're doing this little bad boy. There we go. Right then. Let's have a look around the tin first. So, rosé winemaking kit, a light-bodied rosé with subtle pink hues and hints of strawberries and rose petals. ABV 12%. Add sugar and water. Make 6 bottles of wine in less than 21 days, made from a blend of Italian red and white grapes. Got a bit of bump on the back of how to make it, the equipment that's required to make it, the ingredients, stuff like that. And it's best before November 2019. So what we've got the instructions. We've got a wine sachet C stabiliser. We've got wine yeast. We've got Nutrifine, and we've got some finings. So let's have a look at what the kit says. Empty the contents of the can into a sterilised demijohn and add 1.8 litres of cold water and 450 grams of brewing sugar. Add the wine, yeast and Nutrifine sachets and shake the demijohn. Okay then, so we need 1.8 litres of cold water. So I've been cleaning everything today. I've got 1.5 litres in my kettle. So let's pour that in. And where are we? So 0.8. Let's grab some more water. Annoying me in a cold, soft water area, so I'd be taking a different route if I lived in a hard water area, that's for sure. Right then, that's our water. Let's get this in. Okay, there we go. Can't really, we've got a lot of sun today. It's a proper hot day. Can't really. Okay. Smells like a bit like Ribena to me. Let's get this in. Right. What I want to do is I want to get that hot water on the go. While I'm doing that, it did say 450 grams of sugar, and I'll be honest with you, I've stopped using brewing sugar. I'm just using normal household stuff now. So let's have a look. Do you know what? I always forget always forget where the leveler is on this. So what we've got, okay, that's bang on 450. So, is that warm? Yep, that's warm. Let's get this in a tin. Don't want to put too much in all honesty. Put this here. Oh, it's really hard for me to see in here. The sun is shining straight through here. Okay, that is all of that out of there, as you can see. Sorry if you're having trouble seeing as well. I'm having the same trouble myself. But anyway, let's have a quick slurp. So cheers folks. Oh, just lime cordial, that is. Love that. Okay then, let's get that one out of the way. Let's put that one there. Do you know what? I'm going to add some petzl ice. If I can get the top open. Just 1 level teaspoon of that. And the petzl ice is a blend of enzymes and dextrose used to prevent pectin haze in wine and help extract juice. I'm going to add an express wine yeast compound, which proper helps it ferment out real quick, but it also does keep it fermenting for quite a while as well. I'm going to add a teaspoon of glycerin, go with a little bit more. Do you know what? Hold on. Okay, I'll let that dribble in there. Right. Come on, my beauty. Do you know what I should have done? Let's add a touch more water to this. Yeah, okay, that's all in. Let's add our sugar. Pops. Right then, so add the contents of the wine yeast, the Nutrifying Sachet B, which is that one. Shake well and seal it with the bung, half filling the airlock with water. It's got to be at a constant 20-25 degrees to ferment, and then after that we've got to leave it for 3 days. So put that there. Our sugar has stopped. Let's get that going. Also, what I did get was the Jervin Universal Wine Yeast. I think we'll give this one a go with this time. Right, that's all of that. Let's get our yeast in now. I'm not doing a hydrometer reading because with the ingredients we've used, it should come out at around 12% anyway. So that's the sachet B, Nutrify. Let's get that in. And I think this lot is going to go off like a bloody rocket, in all honesty. Let's get all that one in. Yep. Right. Do you know what? Don't need to do that. Right, let's get our bung in, like so, because we're going to swirl it around a bit. Make sure it's nicely mixed in, I think. Want to try and get all of that lot, 'cause when you swirl it you get bits in the top. Okay, we're looking good. We are looking pretty good, in all fairness. Okay then, so right, on day 3, top up to 4.5 litres with cold boiling water and allow to ferment until completion, which usually takes around 7 days. Once fermenting is complete, empty the contents of wine stabiliser C into a clean cup, add cold water, mix and dissolve. Add to the wine, rinse it out. Okay, so I think we are all done. That's the wine yeast that we're not using, that's the stabiliser, that's that. That's filled in, and that's our instructions. Yeah, so I think we're looking all finished here, folks, for the time being anyway. Let's stick our airlock in. That's enough, and put that there, and there we go, folks. We're looking pretty good, in all fairness, I think. Pretty easy. These wine kits are. All you need is the right equipment to do it, and you know, 5 minutes later it's done. You've just got to remember to come back every few days to do the extra little bits and bobs. So folks, I think we're going to leave it there. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Leave your comments, I always answer them, and I answer them as quick as I can. I'm Double Tap, and I'll catch you in the next episode, so bye for now, and cheers. Ooh, that's proper bitter. Still, lovely jubbler.